Good morning. Myself Prabharanji, working as an assistant professor in EC department at SNS College of Technology. In this lecture video, I am going to discuss about the topic is twin tub process from the Unit 1 Mass Transistor Principle of VLSI Design subject. Okay, let I discuss. These all are the topics we are going to discuss about this lecture video. Introduction of the twin tub process and six mask twin tub process N-well, both P-well and twin tub process polysilicon and twin tub process N plus P plus diffusion contact via a metal and it cross sectional view. Okay, let us discuss one by one. Twin tub process is a method used in CMOS technology to fabricate both NMOS and PMOS transistor on the same chip. The process involves the creation of separate N-type and P-type region known as tubs or wells within a single silicon substrate. The twin tub process provide a better control over the electrical characteristics of both types of transistor, allowing for optimized performance of CMOS devices. N-well, the PMOS transistor are placed in the N-well and NMOS transistor are created on the substrate. P-well is the NMOS transistor are placed in the P-well and the PMOS transistor are created on the substrate. N-well plus P-well equal to twin tub process. Separate N-well and P-well region. Before that, before see the six mask, we will see the steps in the twin tub process. Let me see the what are the steps involved in the twin tub process. First step, starting material, initial oxidation, photoresist deposition, and another step is N-well masking, and fifth step is oxide etching and N-well formation. And another one is photoresist removal, oxidation and P-well masking, and another step is oxide etching for P-well and P-well formation, and photoresist and oxide removal, field oxide formation, and channel stop implementation, and gate oxide formation, polysilicon deposition, gate patterning, and LDD implementation. LDD means lightly doped drain, and spacer formation, source drain implementation, source drain annealing, silicide formation, interlayer dielectric, contact hole etching, metal deposition patterning, and passivation layer, final annealing and testing. Twin tub is an advanced CMOS fabrication technique that enables the independent optimization of NMOS PMOS transistor by creating separate N-well and P-well region within the same silicon substrate. This approach provides enhanced performance, improved isolation, and greater flexibility in designing high-performance CMOS circuits. And six mask. It seems like you have list terms related to semiconductor technology, particularly in the context IC and CMOS fabrication. First level is NP level, and second level is polysilicon, and third one is N plus P plus diffusion, P plus N plus diffusion, and contact, and sixth mask is metal mask. And we will discuss in briefly. First is NP well refers to the region in a semiconductor substrate that has been doped to create either an N-type, P-type well. This is used to isolate a different component or device in an integrated circuit. And another one is second mask is polysilicon mask, a material used in the semiconductor manufacturing, often used as a gate material in CMOS transistor due to its conductivity and compatibility with silicon. And N plus P plus diffusion refers to the process of doping region of silicon with high concentration of donor and acceptor. Donor means N plus, acceptor P plus atoms to create highly conductive path or contact with the semiconductors. And similarly, P plus N plus diffusion similarly, but refers the specifically to highly doped region of P-type, N-type semiconductor material. Used for contact or interconnection in the integrated circuit. And fifth on level mask is contact. In semiconductor manufacturing, this refers to the area where metal or other conducting material makes direct contact with a semiconductor material, which enabling electrical connection between different layer or component. And a metal mask refers to the metal layer used in the semiconductor fabrication, typically aluminum or copper, which other used to create interconnect between different part of an IC, which means integrated circuit. These terms are fundamental in underlying how integrated circuits are designed and manufactured, especially in process like CMOS. If you have more specific question about any of these terms or other application, feel free to ask. Okay. Next one is twin tub N plus P plus diffusion. Twin tub process is a semiconductor manufacturing technique that involves using two separate tubs or wells, N well, P well, to isolate different types of transistors in the same integrated circuits. Okay. Next is twin tub polysilicon, pattern polysilicon before diffusion regions like gate oxide. Okay. Next is add diffusion performing self masking. Twin tub contact via metal. In the twin tub process, contact vias and metal layers play critical roles in completing the fabrication of the integrated circuit by enabling electrical connections between various components and ensuring proper functionality of the designed circuitry. And final one is a cross-sectional view of the twin tub process in semiconductor manufacturing typically shows the layered structure and the different region formed within the substrate. This cross-sectional view illustrates how the twin tub process isolate different types of transistor and in separate region. Here you can see the diagram, and how the subsequent layer and structures are built to connect these components and enable the functionality of the integrated circuit. Each layer and region plays a critical role in defining the electrical characteristics and functionality of the semiconductor device. Try this assessment. Here I have asked three questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment. Okay. Thank you. We will meet in next video. Thank you.